Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing this unit from rpghair.com, and this is a wig that we'll be working on. Look at this lace straight out of the package. This is their invisible HD lace. Now the hair that we're working on is their Yaki straight bob wig, and I got this in 10 inches. It is 150% density, and the wig is full. It's giving a natural silk press, and I'm absolutely loving it already because I already know I'm not gonna even have to put too much effort into styling this wig. And y'all know we are lazy girls over here, and we like an easy unit to install. So of course I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So we always like to slick the hair back, make sure that the frontal is laid for the gods. Then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron just to smoothen the hair. So if you want to do a super straight look, or you want to do like the black girl bob, you know, like that little bump underneath, so I'm doing kind of a mixture of both. It's not really a bump, and it's not really super like blunt straight. I just like that flawless type of bob situation going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some bronzing powder on the lace, and this is going to give me a nice tint to match my my natural complexion, especially since I'm already wearing makeup. I want to make sure that the lace is matching and it's melted and it is indeed invisible. So again, lazy girl over here, so I'm not going to do the ball cap method. I'm just wearing a regular wig cap, and then I cut off the lace off the back of the wig. So you always want to remember to do that. I know a lot of times you forget to do that, but remember that you need to cut the lace off the back or else it's gonna show. So I'm just adjusting the wig, making sure everything is aligned. And guys, the hair is so movable. You know, that's one of the things with a bob wig. You want to make sure that that thing is moving, okay? So I'm just making sure that everything is aligned, my center part is straight, and I have a natural hump in the back of my head, so I'm trying to make sure that this wig is laying as flat as possible. Then I'm going to cut the lace to prep it for an easy and flawless install. So I always cut around my ear first, make sure that it's laying down, especially with a super straight type of hair. I like to wear them behind my ear because with this texture too, it almost looks like it's my natural hair, so I want it to look flawless. Now I'm gonna go in with this 𝐒𝐵𝐼𝐸 spray. This is their new spray that they have in store, and I'm like, okay, it's specifically for a super hold on lace. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna test this out. So I went in with my blow dryer, do my usual typical method of installing my wigs, and baby, this thing is trash, just absolute garbage. Like, it's just a marketing thing. Look how easy the lace is lifted. That is insane. It had no hold to it. I know we are lazy and we don't like super strong type of glues or sprays or anything like that, but still, sis, I needed it to stay in place. You know what I'm saying? I don't need my wigs to be lifting. So I'm gonna go in with the OG spray, the black one in the can. And even that, I think the formula is changed because these things don't stick like they used to. I don't know if it's just like a super hot summer hotter than usual or something, but it is not working. And I'm trying not to use anything harsher on my hairline, but babes, my gosh, it is just not the same. I don't know, we're gonna have to find something new. So I'm cutting off the excess lace, and I'm gonna go in with the bronzing powder again to match my makeup more than anything else. So this is the bronzing that I'm using. I'm using this Juvia's Place bronzer, and it's doing the job. And then I'm gonna go in with some on the parting, because you want to make sure that everything is one shade. Now, y'all know I'm obsessed with a soup to the dupe. I don't know if it is a problem, I'm too obsessive, I don't know, girl, but I like a little soup. It doesn't have to be some big old baby hairs. I just like a little soup action going on in the front. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. But you really don't have to do that with this wig because it's flawless, like, honestly. But we got a problem over here and we can't help it. So I spray the 𝐒𝐵𝐼𝐸 spray on my edge brush, and then, you know, we got to do the soup them in, and then I tie it down to melt it. So now I'm just gonna use the what kind of method is this called again? I don't remember the method it's called, but we always use an elastic band to melt our wigs. And then I'm trying to do like a little curl situation, like a light curl. Like instead of cutting the hair to give a layer, I'm going to use a curling iron to just give it like a little bop, a little curl bop. I don't know what to call it, sis, but just to give it a little bit of flavor as opposed to just staying straight. You know what I'm saying? Like I need a little something in this hair. The hair is so amazing. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. The texture feels super natural, as if it was my natural hair that I had a silk press. And this is what the hair is looking like at the end. Super easy to install. This was installed in minutes. Now to hide your wig cap, you can just take some mascara and lightly dab it on where you're seeing your wig cap, especially if you're wearing HD type of lace without doing the ball cap method. This is the best way to hide it. And this is how she is looking at the end. Like, look at that pop. She's giving supernatural, and y'all can't tell me this isn't my hair. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Damn That's Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.